Purple specks on your cherry leaves today can mean bare branches by July. Stay with me. This is serious, it's fixable, and the sources for everything I say are listed in the description. Cherry leaf spot is caused by the fungus Blumeriella Jaapii. It needs two things to explode: wet leaves and mild temperatures. Give it around 10 to 12 hours of moisture in the 15 to 25 degree range, and it gets to work. Here's what to watch for. First, tiny purple or reddish flecks on the top of the leaf a few weeks after bloom. Those grow into red-brown circles with a yellow halo, while a thin ring right around the spot can stay green. Flip the leaf over. On damp days, you'll see little whitish or pinkish pads underneath. That's where new spores come from. As spots age, the centers can dry and drop out, leaving clean round holes, shot hole, and the whole leaf yellows and falls. Enough of that and the tree is weakened for this season and the next. So how do you stop it? Rake, shred, or remove fallen leaves in autumn so the fungus has nothing to live on over winter. Prune in winter and spring to open the canopy. Airflow dries leaves faster. Water with drip or at sunrise so foliage isn't wet all night. Feed the tree, but don't drown it in nitrogen. Soft, lush shoots stay wet longer. Already seeing spots? Act fast. Pull off the worst leaves you can reach and clean up the litter. If you choose to spray, keep it simple. Use a labeled fungicide right after petal fall, and repeat on a regular schedule when the weather is wet. Follow local recommendations in the label. The goal is to protect clean leaves, not rescue dead ones. At early leaf drop in autumn, a quick urea spray on the orchard floor helps those leaves rot faster, taking most of next year's spores with them. Shorten leaf wetness. Open the canopy. Sanitize leaves. Time any sprays with the weather. Do those 4 things consistently and cherry leaf spot becomes manageable, not a yearly disaster. Remember, the sources are in the description. Check them out and keep your cherries green and productive.